What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm talking to you guys about my 10th dividend payment with AGNC. This is a monthly paying REIT, and I love getting monthly dividends. So once again, that's what we're talking about in this particular video, my 10th dividend payment from AGNC. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so today's actually a really good day for me just because I am finally back in the green. Even though it may be for a short moment, I am back in the green overall from when I started to invest in Robinhood, which was back in 2016, but I stopped around 2017 because I lost a lot of money, like almost $4,400, and I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but I'm a lot smarter now. So I'm finally in the green from way back then, which I don't really count my experience with Robinhood from 2016 because I really started to reinvest seriously back in May of 2020, and I found myself to be down at one point, but I'm excited because I'm all the way in the green. So right now I have on the screen for you guys my current portfolio. This is live as of the making of this video, and this is what my portfolio is right now, $237,000, which is really cool. If I click on the 1 week marker just to kind of show you guys what's kind of been happening, you can see that in the last week my portfolio is up $3,000, as you guys can see. Then in the last month, if I click on that and show you, in the last month my portfolio is up $7,740, up 3%, which is really exciting. The last 3 months, my portfolio is up $21,000. That's always a very good thing. It's interesting because, like I said, I was down well, I didn't tell you guys in this video, but I say it in all my videos just about, I was down negative $63,000. And it's interesting because, like, you know, I'm getting back to being even is a victory within itself. You know, I mean, I'm doing something right, thank God. And so I'm just super excited about it. So for the year, I'm actually up $45,000, so I'm up 23%, which is really good, of course. And if I click on all time, which this is bonkers to me, I'm up $26, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot because I was down for the longest. This is all time since I've put money on Robinhood, even though it's not accurate because, of course, I started way back here in 2016. And so I started investing in January 2016, as you can see, and then there was nothing from about May 2017. So I was really down. You know, basically I lost $4,300. That's why it says negative 43.99. I was down basically almost $4,400, and then I didn't do anything for a couple of years, and I started to reinvest back in May of 2020, like I said. And so I'm excited that when I click on the all button, well, I was up. You guys saw it. I was up $25. Now I'm down $15, but that's okay. Now I'm up $10 for all time, meaning all the money that I've put in Robinhood. I'm super excited about this, but that's not the purpose of this particular video. We're talking about my 10th dividend payment with AGNC. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Here's AGNC right here, currently trading for $16.31 as of the making of this video. I am up overall. My current market value is $3,135.99. And then I am actually, my total return is, I'm up 9.36%, which is $268.40. My average cost is $14.91. This is one of those companies that I should have gotten more shares, but you know, I always say that, especially when I'm in the green for that particular company. So I cannot complain overall. I'm gonna scroll down here and show you guys that my last dividend payment was here on August 10th, as you guys can see, and that was in the amount of $22.90. So at that particular time I had 190 shares, and AGNC is paying 12 cents per share, as you can see here, which gave me a total of $22.90. And then of course, right above that, it has a market buy for $22.90, which that allowed me to get 1.41 shares, and it was $16.18 at the time, which is pretty cool because right now it's $16.31. So that's kind of cool. Now, if I click on show more and show you guys that literally this is my 10th dividend payment, I'm super excited because that's like almost a year. And I can tell you a year ago, I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I didn't even know what a dividend payment was, really. So if I scroll down here, the first dividend payment that I got was back in November 2020. So November is 1, December is 2, January is 3, February 4, March 5, April 6, May 7th, June 8th, July 9th, and August 10. So that is 10 dividend payments that I got from AGNC, and I couldn't be any more happy in regards to what my experience has been in regards to AGNC. Of course, I'm never really, recommending, oh, everybody go ahead and run out and buy this particular stock. Once again, I'm super excited just because I'm finally in the green. As you guys can see here on the screen, as of right now, I'm back up $150 overall. Okay. The real number that is significant is basically this number here on the screen, because this, since May of 2020, this is how much money I have invested in Robinhood over time, which was $232,859.30. That's the amount of money that I've put into Robinhood since May 2020. And of course, like I said, the journey has been anything but pleasant. As you can see here, like I said, I like to mention this. I was down negative $63,000, and I did something very, very right to find myself where I am today, which is out of that hole of $63,000. I felt like an absolute moron because I had student loans that was like $56,000 or I don't know, $58,000, and I was like, I could have paid my student loans. Of course, I'm not interested in paying my student loans because I just wasn't. I was like, I would rather take that money and try to make a better future for myself, and if I do it correctly, hopefully for my kids, and maybe create some generational wealth, which is a very interesting place to be. I'm super excited that I find myself in that place, and hopefully I'll be able to do that. And my kids will be able to benefit from this particular portfolio. And of course, I want to educate my kids and help them invest. As a matter of fact, I'm actually doing that with my son, where I'm like, okay, we're going to invest, and I'm going to give you money just to even get you started, because he doesn't see the value in it per se, at least not right now. But I just want to start the fire, and eventually it'll be, a flame that he will continue to feed. And I'm really excited about that. So once again, you're having a look at my portfolio right now as of the making of this particular video. So for today, I'm actually down $447, which is not bad, because my portfolio, the stock market as a whole, has been up the last couple of days. And I'm like, all right, well, we know it's not going to just keep going up and up and up and up. That's not how the market works. So being down, $475, $509 right now, not a big deal at all. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps tremendously. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.